This mountain trek is tough and best for experienced hikers. The trail is 95% uphill, so you need to be in good shape both physically and mentally. Important tips: there's no pre-trek briefing. So don't trust claims that it's beginner-friendly. It's not. Bring more water than you think you'll need. Start early to avoid the heat. Know your limits and be properly equipped. I wouldn't recommend this trail for beginners. But if you're looking for a serious cardio workout and want to challenge your strength, endurance, and perseverance, this mountain is for you.
Kalisuman. Pala kalisuman to eh. Hindi ahon.
Dapat nasa bahay ako ngayon eh. Ang sarap kayang humiga. Nanonood ng Netflix, nagkakape, kumakain ng tinapay. Ano ba itong ginagawa ko? Sabi malapit na. Pucha, malapit na akong mamatay. Sabi patag lang daw. Hayop na patag yan. Patagilid.
Wow, look at the view. Susundan ba kita? Susundan kita. Okay na to? One. Go! Good morning. 7:30 in the morning. Kakarating lang namin sa summit ng Mount Calzone dito sa bayan ng Laguna. However, ang isa sa pinaka nakakalungkot is walang clearing. isa yun sa pinaka nakakalungkot, ang walang clearing pagdating sa summit. Try na lang tayo sa lakad. Buti na lang mayroong mascot tayo dito. May dinosaur dito. Ayun. Kaya lang hindi niya kaya kasi ang lakas ng hangin. Ililipad siya. Pati siya ililipad kasama yung mascot.
Sige, lakad ka pa baba. Tandaan ka lang lakad. Sige, diretso. Okay, stop. Tandaan lang. Tapos, yan. Lalampasan mo ako ha. May dalawa pa dito ha. Oh, picture oh.